Hey, what's up YouTube? This is JT49ers fan 21. Got the box break right here. Cut into this. Try to make it under 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go quick. Only name the hits and the inserts. Alright, get started. Base. Hopefully we can pull something nice out of here. All base. Looking for 3 autos. More base. More base. More base. And some more base. Base. Not really sure how many rookies we're supposed to get per box, but that's some more base. 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 More base. Oh man, I'm gonna start getting something soon. Base. Base. Rookie patch auto is of James Hardy for the Bills, number 2, $9.99. So that's not bad. 2 color, got blue and then black. Let me see who that goes to. Mintac. Mintac gets the hit of the box. We got an autograph here for the Cardinals. It's Anthony Morelli. Looks like it's not numbered. And that goes to Starvin Marvin. So Cardinals actually get a hit. All of our hits came late in this. All base. Base, 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 base. One more autograph and we should be getting some rookies. So we haven't gotten any yet. And some more freaking base. 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 Last pack. Better get our autograph in there. And no. So I'm gonna go through everything, make sure we didn't get shorted. I think we got shorted an autograph though. Got those two. I don't know how we didn't get any rookies. That was kind of weird. But I'll go through that and then I'll make another video if we did get any. Alright. Thank you. Thank you for everyone getting in too.